figure it out. Some day tripping, lunch dates, things of that nature. So stick around, see what we bring you guys. But right now, we're on our way, taking a little quick road trip on up to Orlando. Grab something to eat, maybe visit a friend or two, drop around, sightsee, and then head on home. But stick around, you two. Come join us.
So we're back, still on the road, headed to Orlando. I think we're about 45 minutes to an hour.
Something like that.
Still trying to figure out what the hell we're doing.
I know something to eat.
You haven't had breakfast?
Nope, sure haven't. I had my Starbucks, my local cookie crumble, but that's not it. Oh, sorry, the cheese Danish, and a couple airheads. Oh boy.
What it takes for
Well, you know I'm on this diet.
this way.
I'm trying. It's almost summer, so I can eat summer kind of fine.
Shit,
What?
ain't shit good.
Whatever.
What you told me, we're gonna be done when done.
About to take a vacation.
Alright.
Well, don't we have something planned or trying to plan something for December?
Yeah, we still gotta wait for the
Final details?
for the details.
Yeah, I don't know. What is
Y'all
this?
stay tuned to that. Big vacation coming up soon.
The first one in what? 2 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 years, you guys. 2 years. And the thing about the whole vacation is that, I mean, granted, yeah, we could travel if we want to. But for me, and I want to say for Rick as well, is that the restrictions that are in place in most places. I know we like to travel to Jamaica a lot. I mean, that's where some of our family is and things of that nature. So, but I know in Jamaica they have like a curfew, and we're not trying to do the whole curfew. Plus, we don't stay on the tourist side. Though I said that the next time we go down that I wanted to stay on the tourist side. We stay locally. We actually rent out like an apartment and we stay there. And we do things. We walk around the town or whatever the case may be. We just recently started driving in Jamaica as well. So, it's things of that nature. But I mean, the curfew is what would kind of put a damper on things for us. Plus, Jamaica is hot. I mean, hot. And to wear a mask wherever you particularly go, I think that would be a little bit too much. Even though I know the mask thing probably won't go away anytime soon, but I mean, at least the curfew. I don't want to be restricted in that nature. I want to be able to go and enjoy myself and not have to worry about rushing to get back home. So I mean, that's our biggest thing. So I mean, we'll see. We're keeping. We're trying to stay on top of the news in the country. Down in Jamaica to see what's going on and how things are playing out in regards to the pandemic and everything, and the vaccine. That's another thing. Right now we're just chilling. I'm not going to elaborate anymore on that. We're just chilling in regards to it.
I did hear somebody was looking for something
Okay, well, see, I mean, but that plays into what I said just a minute ago.
Yeah.
The next time we go down, I want to stay on the North Coast. So, into an all-inclusive, into a resort. So, but, alright, well, back to the topic at hand. What are we going to eat?
Actually, before you start wrapping up my
I don't know. We done pulled up at the Florida Mall. I think we're gonna walk around here for a minute, try to catch some Wi-Fi to find out what we're gonna have to eat. So stay tuned. So hey guys, we just left the mall. We grabbed some what? What did we grab?
Cinnabon.
Some Cinnabons, freshly baked.
And we finally figured out what we're gonna eat. Grills, lakeside,
Something like that. Some type
that
of.
ain't the color.
It's on the other side. It's right there. Yeah, something dockside grill, lakeside seafood, tiki, something. But we'll check you back when we reach. Alright guys, so we made it. We're here at Grill Lakeside. Let's see if you guys can see the sign. Probably not. Grill Lakeside. Seafood Deck Lakeside. Something of that nature. So we're here and we're about to walk up and, well, I guess he wants to go see what the view is all about. But yeah, it seems like it's a pretty nice spot. It's pretty big, as you can see in the parking lot here. Yeah, and it's on the water. Let me turn around and let you see. So we'll see if we can get something with a nice view for you guys, so we can share our experience. It's kind of chilly. I should have brought my sweater, but yeah, stay tuned. We finally found some seating. It was an hour wait for the inside, so we are able to seat by ourselves on the outside. So we did finally find a seat on the outside. A nice lady was, I guess she was seeing that we were struggling to find a place to sit, and she seen two people get up, and she came over and she told us. So that was nice of her. But we're here. We done ordered. We done already have some, what was it, cheese breads or something like that with some marinara sauce. And now we're about to have, we just got our lunch, dinner, whatever. We both got a salad, and now we're about to tear into that. Hey guys, we're almost done. I would definitely have to recommend this place. I mean, locals, tourists, people just day tripping like us. This is definitely a good spot to come and grab a quick bite to eat, or I'm not even gonna say quick bite, because again, the inside was an hour to wait, and then we had to literally stand around and wait for a table on the outside to become available before we could be seated. But
Stalking folks while we see while they finishing up their food.
Rick says stalking folks while we wait for them to finish their food, literally. So, but it's good. The food is good. I mean, I can only speak on the salad, which is the Southwest avocado ranch salad was really, really good. And that blackened chicken on top of it. It was a little bit nippy, even though it's pretty much almost summertime. It was nippy out on the outside, most likely because we're sitting on the water. But it's nice. Nice atmosphere. Nice food. So far, friendly staff, friendly people. So,
Live music.
huh?
Live music.
Live music. Not sure what other type of live music they got, but I know dude was playing, what was it, country? Kind of something, whatever. Soft rock, something. But it's nice. It's a nice place to eat. Whoever's in the area, come and check out what is it? Grill Seafood Deck and Tiki Bar in Orlando. I think they have some in Melbourne and Port Canaveral as well, if I'm not mistaken. You guys come and check it out.
Tell them about we got to see the rocket.
Oh, and we had an added treat. Today was the rocket launch. And we were able to capture a little footage of that as well. It was nice. Very nice. So we're back in the car and we're pretty much on our way heading home. Like I said, the food was great. The food was very, very, very good. The atmosphere was nice. The vibe was nice. Service was great. I mean, as soon as we sat down, we were able to get our food fairly quickly, even though it was crowded. A lot of people waiting around, especially for the outside seating area. Everybody wanted to sit outside. But I mean, granted, even on the inside, it was an hour wait. So we had our options. Luckily, we were able to get some place to sit outside.
Still wait about 20 minutes for that.
Yeah. Rick liked his food. I like my food. Again, I would definitely recommend Grills. What is it? Lakeside Deck Bar Grill Tiki something. Sorry. In Orlando, they also have in Port Canaveral and in Melbourne as well. So yeah, we're pretty much now making our way home, or about to make our way home. It was a nice trip. We started off kind of late, so I guess we have to plan this a little bit better. So we have to plan this a little bit better. But it was nice. Overall, this was a nice trip. I thoroughly enjoyed myself on this one. A great start to my vacation. So yeah, here we go, you guys. I guess we will hit you guys back maybe in a few, or maybe when we get home, who knows. We'll see how it goes. I know once I get home, I'm gonna sleep good. That I can say. All right. Yeah.
Finally made it back home. What, 3-hour ride?
Yeah, pretty much. As you can see, we're both in the bed. It's been a long day, but it was a nice day. We both done already took a shower, had our coffee tea. I had coffee.
I had tea.
Yeah, that's it. We're winding down for the night. Yeah, ready for the next day. It's already the next day. Early morning. After 12? Almost 1? Something like that. Yeah, but it's been a long day, but it was a nice day. Again, you guys, well, what was it called? Grill deck something.
Grills Lakeside.
Deck Barn
Grill.
Tiki. Sorry.
I know we done messed the name all.
You know what? I think we'll try to put the link in the description box so you guys could check it out for yourselves. But just want to say thank you.
We appreciate y'all for coming through.
Yeah. And journeying with us this day, this ride.
But to catch up on that next one, you got to make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
That's right. Leave a comment. Give us some ideas on maybe some of the things that you would like to see us do. You know, we live in South Florida. If it's within reason, then yeah, we'll go ahead and we'll do it. So again, like, comment, share, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. And I guess we'll see you in the next one.